Welcome everybody. Let us see today. We are at pillalamarri Zoo and Deer Park. It's a very historical area. Mainly, this area is one of the important area where in United Telangana and the United Mahabubnagar district, it is one of the historical and scientific area. Today we are with Kontham Gopal Reddy, who belongs to zoology department, one of the gold medalist from Karnataka universities, and he is here visited this area, and he has going to view his opinion about this Pillalamarri deer and Zoo Park. Let us see the view. Let us take the opinion of Kontham Gopal Reddy.
Pillalamarri is very nice to protecting here different types of species, different types of amphibians and reptilians, different types of snakes are here protecting, and bird species, sparrow and pigeon, and different types of all bird species are protecting here. And next animal species, deers and etc. Some species are protecting here. So very nice to see here this place. So we have to protect our biodiversity. We have to protect our wildlife conservation. So many birds in nowadays degenerating. Why? Because nowadays the technology is going very high. 2G, 3G, 4G, like 5G. So different types of towers, different types of vibrations. With the effect of this towers and vibrations, so many bird species are degenerating. We have to protect our bird species and animal species, wildlife conservation species, etc. So some mammals also protecting here. The mammal species also very important role in this ecosystem. So many species are protecting. Each and every species you have to protect. We are IUCN, according to IUCN, International Union for the Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Some species are extinct. We are named the book. The name is called as a red data book. So degenerating species so many. So you have to protect our wildlife animals. Either exside conservation, either inside conservation. You have to protect. You have to increase our forest. It is very important role in this ecosystem.
So, thank you, Gopal Reddy. Let us see another place.
Yes.
Like deers, you can see a number of deers there.
Okay.
And we'll see the movement from here. Okay, Kuntam Gopal Reddy. Here, backside, we can see very clearly the deers. It is a deer park. Let us give your opinion about this Pillalamarri deer parks.
So Pillalamarri deer park is very nice. Different types of species, axis, spotted deer, and different types of species are protecting here. So water is available. We can see water also here. Water also there, and we are seeing that side. Different types of deers are there. So the deers are protecting here. They are eating food material, the food habitat, etc. So many deers are there. We can observe here one of the species also there here. So these species, different types of species are there. We can observe in live here. Okay. So it is very important role in this ecosystem. Tigers and monkeys and snakes and sambar, nilgai, okay, and lions, okay, etc. Crocodiles, bird species, and different types of rama chilka, okay, pigeons, etc. All species important role in this ecosystem. We have to protect all bird species, not only birds, from amphibians to mammals, and wildlife conservation we have to increase our biodiversity in future generations. If we are protecting now, the future generation will survive. It is important role. Uh, Thank you for watching here. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Kontham Gopal Reddy, being with us today. You have spent a lot of your valuable time and your giving your
Here,
opinion about this.
here,
Pillalamarri
Dr. Shivakumar Singh Thakur sir, you are assistant professor in Department of Palamoru University. So, what is the important role forest in this ecosystem? What is the main aspect? What is important of these all animal species of this forest, different types of forest?
So in forest system, especially we should have to protect the plants because a lot of valuable plants we are going to lose their species. So that like such a plant we should have to conserve either in parks, like see to nature. When we are protecting such a species, then only the coming generations comes to know about the species. And even as you told, like animals comes under in red data or endangered species, like number of endangered species also we can found here. And such a plants we should have to be protected in a park or national parks or natural resource. In the natural aspect only we should have to protect them. So like in that part only, like these types of plants are going to protecting. So here, like many of plants, medicinal plants we are protecting, and even normal species which were very tree species, herbaceous species, even a lot of other species also we are losing. And those were going to protecting in the Pillalamarri Zoo and Deer Park. As you told, it's a very important function to cover and have to collect from various resources, and we should have to maintain also important. Thank you, Gopal Reddy.
Thank you, Dr. Shivakumar Singh Thakur. So, we have to protect our all wildlife animals, different types of species. Thank you.
Right, thank you. Very nice.